To watch this video in Hindi, go to the settings and select Hindi audio. Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Wishing you all a very happy new year. As the new year unfolds, I took a little pause for a moment to thank and appreciate the understated calmness, happiness, and yet the profound pleasure found in a clean and peaceful home. In this video, we lens into glimpses of 2023. Personally, last year was way more than just cleaning. I enjoyed my journey of organizing my home and my mind. Bits of travel, catching up with family and friends, decorating for festivals, working for sponsors, learning few more recipes. For me, it was a tale of commitment that has been mesmerizing. I really hope this video brings you joy. Let's begin. Let's start with makeovers. We'll take a look at how I changed some areas in my house. After renovation, I had to put everything back in place little by little. I started with the utility area where we do laundry and wash dishes. It's got our washing machine, dryer for clothes and dishwasher. I've also put all the cleaning stuff and tools in the cupboards there. I neatly arranged this area and just love its final look. Next up was the living room. The old curtains did not really work with the room and our new green couch. A lot of people seem to really like this sofa. I will provide info about where I got it in the video description. To go with the room, I placed new curtains and cushion covers, and they really made the living room look beautiful. I also got the guest room ready. Before, I was just using it to store extra things and it was pretty full. I took out all the things we don't use and set up the room for my guest. Now it is a really cozy space that I like a lot. Now let's check out the next category, organizing. In one of the videos, I shared some easy tips for folding clothes and keeping closets tidy. These ideas come from a book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. I showed how to fold kids' and adults' clothes so that they stay neat and don't mess up the closet. I also shared how I use boxes and baskets to keep our clothes in order. Tips shown in the video really help keep the closet tidy and clutter-free. This year I arranged the living room too. I had a new TV unit built when we renovated. It is not just for a TV and gadgets. I also keep many other important random things there, such as photo albums, cables, workout gear, and more. The tall unit was designed smartly to store decorative items, bags, and furnishing items for living room. Storage provided in the coffee table was also utilized well. I also organized the linen cupboard in the guest room where I keep bed sheets, blankets, towels, etc. I folded everything nicely and sorted them properly. The cupboard is now tidy and finding things is a breeze. My pantry needed a cleaning too. I had been using the same setup for 5 years and it was time for a change. I emptied the cupboard and reorganized it to suit my current needs. I use clear jars so I can see what's inside, and labels help me to keep things in the right place. The pantry I designed works really well for me. Another important project this year was organizing our home temple. It can get messy quickly if things are not kept in order. I sorted everything into 2 drawers divided by category. Now everything in the temple is nicely arranged and it is easy for me to find what I need for my daily prayers. Staying organized and following a cleaning schedule can really help keep our homes neat. It is important to make checklists for daily, weekly and monthly cleaning to keep our homes in good shape. This year I have shared lots of videos and tips about cleaning. I showed you how to thoroughly clean big appliances like the washing machine, dryer, dishwasher and fridge. If we clean and maintain these machines regularly, they will last longer. They need a deep clean every month or 2. The smaller kitchen gadgets like kettles, air fryers, ovens and microwaves also need a good clean every couple of weeks or so. We need to clean often because leftover food and mess can lead to germs getting into our food. I also shared some special cleaning tips during Diwali that lots of you found helpful. Plus, I have shared some homemade cleaning solutions that can clean tough areas in the house. Our kitchens are full of useful things that can fix small problems around the house quickly. So please make use of that. This year I also shared some very helpful and handy tools for the kitchen. I made 3 videos showing really useful kitchen gadgets and must-haves. I have been using these items for about a year and they make everyday tasks in the kitchen so much simpler and save me time. I like to tell you about these things and products because if you are searching for helpful kitchen tools, my reviews might make it easier for you to choose what to buy. Small daily habits can make our chores much easier. I have made videos about this, like 10 seconds daily habits for a neat and clean home. There are tasks we can do in just 10 seconds and doing them right away saves time. These kind of videos show that good habits can simplify our lives. Visual clutter can be a big issue, so we made a video about how to deal with that. To make the house tidy and beautiful, it is important to cut down on visual clutter, and our video guides you through this. Many of us spend a lot of time in cooking every day. And for those who works as well, spending hours in the kitchen is not easy. We have got a video on how to make kitchen work faster to help save time. I use these tips myself every day to save my time in the kitchen. All these videos are designed to help us get more done and be more efficient. You don't need to spend a lot on fancy organizers to get organized. something I have mentioned many times before. You can create excellent organizers using things you already have at home that you might think are useless. I've shared a lot of videos about this. We often throw away old containers, takeaway boxes, shoe boxes, and shuttlecock cases, but these can be cleverly reused. Making your own organizers from these items helps tidy up your space and saves money you would have spent on expensive organizers. I hope you have enjoyed these DIY ideas. Check out the playlist of DIY videos in the description box. This year we got ready for the festivals with lots of excitement. We started with Ganesh Chaturthi and I put a lot of love and energy into decorating the temple. When festival time comes, it brings a special kind of excitement that gives us more energy. Then it was time to get ready for Diwali. I showed you all some simple decoration ideas you can make from discarded things at home. I love decorating the house for Diwali. Festivals add fun to our lives. This is the time to spend time with family and celebrate together. I really enjoy these times and I'm really thankful for them. For Diwali, I also shared some meal prepping tips. Festivals means lots of visitors, and with a bit of planning and smart prep, we can cook for guests fast. These tips were a big help. Thanks to them, I could take good care of my guests and also enjoy time with them. We even tried making some new treats like moong dal halwa, churma laddu, ragi laddu and instant kalakand. This year we also collaborated with some great brands: Agaro, Crompton, Excite, V-Guard, Urban Company and Harpic. A big thank you to all of them for working with Simplify Your Space. We did a lot of traveling also this year. We visited my hometown Delhi twice, where I got to see my sisters and enjoyed the local street food. Delhi holds many dear memories for me and I always feel a bit nostalgic when I'm there. I even visited my old home where I grew up and lived for 18 years. Even though no one I know lives there now, it still felt great to see it again. We also went to my in-laws' home in Gorakhpur. This year we said a heartfelt goodbye to my father-in-law's 13-year-old Wagoner and welcomed a new Kiger for him. Before we let the old car go, my husband, son and father-in-law spent time cleaning it, which was a touching moment. The Wagoner was my father-in-law's first car, so it was hard to say goodbye, but we were also excited to have a new car join the family. This year, one of the highlights was when my good friend and fellow creator Jaya from Home by Jaya visited us. We had an amazing time together. We even went on road trip from Bengaluru to Mysuru, which was a blast, especially for the kids. We also explored Vizag for the first time and I absolutely loved it. The Sea Harrier Museum, the Tu-142 Aircraft Museum and the INS Kurusura Submarine Museum were incredible. The city was vibrant and beautiful. And the most exciting trip was to Singapore. We visited so many beautiful spots, but Universal Studios and Gardens by the Bay were my top favorites. Singapore is like a magical world, so clean and stunning. We had an unforgettable time there. To wrap up the year, we relaxed in Mahabalipuram in Chennai. We flew kites, played basketball on the beach, and I went cycling for the first time in years. We enjoyed the ocean waves and had great fun with family. And just like that, our journey through 2023 comes to a close. The year flew by before we knew it. Each new year brings a fresh start and life keeps moving on. In the end, we are left with memories to treasure for a lifetime. Simplify Your Space turned 7 in December, and it is hard to believe how quickly those years went by. I am so grateful for all the love you have shown to Simplify Your Space. Please keep supporting us like this. I hope the new year brings you all lots of joy. We'll see you next week with a new video. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.